Boulder fell on Konkan track after heavy rain. Incident occurred at Veravali Vilavde section. Rock scaling work was already underway at the site. Site was protected from both sides during work. More boulders rolled onto the track during clearing. Emergency block was used to clear the track. Track was secured after removing the boulders. Train services resumed in 2.5 hours. Some trains were regulated at major stations. Frequent announcements made for passengers. Catering arranged at Ratnagiri station. Catering arranged at Veravali station. Catering arranged at Sawantwadi station.